slide plate. The slide plate. This is the needle. This is the needle. This is the throat plate. The throat plate. This is the needle clamp guide. The needle clamp guide. This is the thread. As you can see, this is the thread. This one at back, this is the pressure bar lifter. This is the pressure bar lifter. This is the stretch regulator. Stretch regulator. This is the presser foot. The presser foot. This is the thread take up lever. The thread take up lever. This is the pressure bar. The pressure bar. This is the upper tension. The upper tension. This is the face plate. Here, this is the face plate. This is the needle bar thread. The needle bar thread. This is the bobbin winder. The bobbin winder. This is the balance wheel. The balance wheel. This is the spool pin. The spool pin. This one is the rubber ring. The rubber ring. This is the feed dog. The feed dog. This is the belt. The belt. This is the arm. The arm. And this is the bed.